Hey guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can tweet GIFs on Twitter. So again, press the plus button, and as you can see, there is a GIF option on this tab right here. So I'm just going to press that. And then you can search for GIFs, or you can take one from either frequently used or these keywords like agree, applause, on, dance, deal with it, do not want, etc. So I'm just going to choose one from dance, this one. So just click on it, and then after that you'll have the GIF. You can only tweet one GIF per tweet, if you know what I mean. So just press tweet, and then you'll have the GIF tweeted. I'm just going to wait for it to load. And here is the GIF that I tweeted. But yeah, that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!